I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect pancake on a Dutch lid. That's right, stay with me. We'll be right back. All right, put you a few coals on here. Spread them out. If you want one of these things, this thing is awesome. It's made for cooking, but I found out it works awesome for moving around. Charcoal. Yeah, ashes go down. Anyway, the link to this is down below. Papa, it's upside down. That's right, I'm warming it up. Cleaning it up, heating it up. All right, put a little butter on there. Put you a nice pancake right there. And now, we're gonna wait for it to bubble up all around so we can flip it. If you notice what this is telling me, that I've got more heat over here, I don't have as much heat on that side. A little dry right there. Oh yeah, we got this. We got this one. Oh yeah, there it is. The perfect pancake on a Dutch lid. Yeah. -1 coal. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, it's down below. You can just click on it and say, yeah, Papa, I want to follow you. You got some good how-tos and some cooking and little fun stuff in between. That's right. This right here, let's see what the other side looks like. Perfect. Perfect. Right there. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. A big W made me that. See ya.